Well, welcome back. Now we're going to do all of the inventory methods over again, but this time we are going to be doing periodic. So when we do periodic, whether we're doing FIFO, LIFO, or average, we have one step that we have to do for all of them for periodic. So when we do periodic, regardless of the cost flow assumption, first we always calculate goods available for sale. Always, always, always. So goods available for sale is how many units do I have available to sell. So remember, we purchased 10 units at 5, 12 at 6, and 15 at 7. So I purchased a total of 37 units. These units cost me $50, $72, $105. So I purchased a total value of $227. Because this is periodic, I'm not keeping track of this throughout the month. I'm getting to the end of the month or the reporting period and I'm saying, okay, what's my cost of goods sold? So we haven't been keeping track, we just keep dumping everything in purchases. The second thing that you need to do is you need to calculate how many you sold. So how many units did I sell? Well, I sold 8, then I sold 6, then I sold 9, so I sold a total of 23. Now that you have the facts, you can start doing the cost flow assumptions. So let's do FIFO first. There are 3 different calculations you can do, and you can do them in different orders. It just depends on what works for you. I like to calculate cost of goods sold first. I find it easier, but like I said, it depends on what you want to do. So I know I sold 23 and I'm doing FIFO. So first in, first out. So I have to go down. So I sold 10 at 5, 12 at 6, because remember I have to get to a total of 23 units. So to get to 23, I must have taken some from here. So I have 23, and this is for a total of $129. So I sold 23 units for a total cost of goods sold of $129. Then you can do your ending inventory calculation. Ending inventory. If I sold 23, so let's see if I can figure this out. I had 37 available for sale. I sold 23, so my ending inventory has to be 14 units. So ending inventory 14 times 7 equals $98. Now, as you guys know, everything in accounting has its checks and balances, so I want to check my work. So that's the third calculation. I'm going to take my goods available for sale of $37 or 37 units for a total of $227. I'm going to subtract out my ending inventory of 14 units at $98. And I should come up with my cost of goods sold of 23 units at $129. This is how you check your work. Now you could make the argument that you could do one of these other calculations first. It doesn't matter which order you do them in. It's just in a habit to get in to do them all. So this is the cost of goods sold calculation, the ending inventory, and the check. Or you could use the check for the cost of goods sold and vice versa. Okay? Be watching for more videos.